Hey guys, I'm gonna do a video real quick on how to get into this Gizmo lesson for today. I'm getting several emails saying that it's not available or something, so I just want to make sure that we are doing what we should be doing to get in. So when you get into your Schoology, you're gonna click here to go to the Gizmo. Your class code is here, so this is your class code, so maybe I'll copy that first and then I'll click here. You're brought to this class code. So, well, let me log out because I'm logged in. So this is what it's gonna look like. You're gonna put in your class code, paste, enroll, and you're gonna go down to create an account, the second one. You are going to fill in this information. So put your first name, your last name. You don't need to put your email address. It says it's not required for students. Put in a username. So like what I would use is your S number. With the S, you can use your first name. I would use the password that you use to log into your computer so you don't have to remember it. Confirm it, so just type it again here and then hit submit, and you should be enrolled in my class. And that is it.